Look at this old 2.1 home theater system. It has been gathering dust in the storeroom for years. The sound quality is still amazing, but it lacks modern Bluetooth connectivity. Today, we are restoring it, cleaning it up, and converting it into a fully wireless Bluetooth speaker system. Watch till the end to see how we build a custom internal power setup. To power our wireless conversion, we are using an old pair of Bose headphones. All the core technology, including the Bluetooth receiver chip, is located inside the right EAR CUP. Let's carefully open up this side. Inside, we find two main parts, the lithium battery and the Bluetooth circuit board. Now, carefully desolder and disconnect all unnecessary original wires from the Bluetooth module so we have a clean board to work with. We'll safely remove the battery and set it aside for a future project. Now let's prepare the board for its new life inside the speaker. First, I am connecting audio input wires to Bluetooth module. These all three wires will connect to speaker, S amplifier board. Now I am connecting wires for on and off switch to extend it outside of box so that I can control this module from outside of speaker box. I am using this adapter to power up this module inside the speaker box. Now I am preparing its both AC terminals for wire connection. If you are enjoying this step-by-step DIY restoration, please take a quick second to hit the like button. Sharing this video with your fellow DIY friends and subscribing to the channel helps me bring more creative technical projects to you every week. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the wiring. Sleeves are mandatory to make this electrically safe. I am using a double-sided tape to attach Bluetooth module on the adapter. Now let's open the speaker box for further fitment of Bluetooth module. After opening the box, I am just applying a double-sided tape to fix Bluetooth module along with adapter assembly. AC connection of adapter is taking place. Now I am making connection of audio input to the amplifier board of the speaker. Be careful and watch properly to right connections. Here I am connecting ground wire of Bluetooth module to ground point of amplifier module. Then right and left speakers wires. Please watch carefully. This is the main point of this video. You can see the connections. Now I am connecting a power cable to power up Bluetooth module so that it can power up with whole system. Now connecting this with adapter. Quick tip, to ensure we get maximum range without signal dropouts inside a thick wooden speaker cabinet, I am soldering a single thin wire directly to the board's Bluetooth antenna point to boost connectivity range. I am making a hole to set a outer on and off switch for the Bluetooth module. This a mini single switch panel I just made to control the Bluetooth module from outside of the box. After making the proper connections, I fix it with the help of glue stick. Everything is wired up, sealed, and ready for the ultimate test. I am making necessary connections for tweeters. Let's power on the system using a new external switch. I am connecting this setup wirelessly to my Samsung TV via Bluetooth settings. It pairs instantly. Let's play a track to test the audio output and bass response. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.